Hello fam, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I want to show you how to do spot trading on Bitget, and also I'll be showing you how to set your TP and your SL, which is take profit and also stop loss, right? So a lot of you doesn't know that you can be able to set your TP or SL on on a Bitget spot trading. Some of you thinks that you can only set your TP and SL on futures trading, but you can also do that on spot trading. And also in this video, I will also show you how to become a profitable spot trader, right? So you all know that trading futures is very hard and is very risky, right? So that is why it's good for each beginner to start with spot trading, right? So I'm advising you, if you're just a beginner, make sure you're starting from spot trading. So by watching this video, you are going to learn a lot on spot trading, how to maximize your profit. There's always new way on how you can be able to trade and become a profitable trader. So let's scroll to the video. The first thing you need to do is to tap on trade. So once you tap on trade, this is what is going to flash you. You'll see the color like this. Then the first thing you have to do, you check right here. This is the buy button, right? This is where you can be able to buy any coin you want, and also this is how you can be able to sell any coin you have. So you can see that you can switch from buying to selling, right? So if you want to sell, I'll also show you how to sell, and if you want to buy, I'll also show you how to buy. And also one thing that I would like you guys to know is, whenever you are buying a crypto coin on spot, make sure that that coin is already on downward trend. Then you can be able to enter the market, and when the coin go upward trend, then you sell. By watching this video, it will help you to maximize your profit. So check right here. You will see that you can be able to click and check how your candlesticks are going, right? So this candlestick shows how the market is moving, right? So the candlestick is indicating how the market is moving already. So if you check very carefully, you will see that the candlestick of this particular coin called Trump is sliding up and down, and is high volatile meme coin, right? So I want you to know that for you to be able to read candlestick, you check the candlestick very well and make sure that the candlestick is forming a pattern, right? There's a different pattern of candlestick that you can be able to know to maximize your profit. And this pattern you're seeing right here, it will help you to make more profit in spot trading or whether futures trading. But let's only talk about spot trading right here. So the coin is jumping up and down, and how can we be able to know that this coin is going to give us profit? So let me change this coin to another coin. Let me just tap maybe Solana. So you can see the candlestick of Solana is different, right? So the candlestick of Solana is different. So there's a different pattern you can use to make profit. Let me just drag this close so that at least I'll be able to show you guys what I want to show you, right? So you can see right now the Solana is an upward trend, right? So first of all, I have to tap on my RSI, and let me see how this RSI indicating if the market is already on upward trend. So I have to wait when the market is on downward trend, then I will be able to buy, right? So check right here. This is my RSI. So what do we mean by RXI? RXI means relative strength index, right? So if you tap right here, you see that this is your RSI. See what your RSI is showing. My RSI currently is showing 62 and 64, which means in this market is on upward trend in recent previous days, right? So the market is on upward trend, right? From maybe 24 hours, the market is on upward trend, is entering upward trend right now. So you can see that right here, this RSI days ago, is showing downward trend because Solana was more than 141 USDT. Solana is around that 200 USDT, right? So this is how to use your RSI. Whenever you see that the RSI right here is indicating maybe 35 or maybe 29, then that is the right time for you to enter market. If you have huge capital, you can decide to enter market even when the RSI is showing 40, right? So when the RSI indicates 70 right here, then you sell. So make sure that if you want to buy from right here, you make sure that the RSI is indicating 30 or 25 or 29. Let just make sure that the RSI is showing something less than 40, right? Then you can be able to buy the coin and wait. Whenever the RSI indicates 70 around here, then you sell, right? So many of you will be asking how this strategy works. So only thing you need to just come right here. You can see all the indicators are here. Then you click any of them, right? You click any of the indicator, like this is RSI. I'll just click RSI, and the RSI is showing all the market, the price action, right? It's showing all the price action. So if you check right here, it's showing that the market is up by 4% plus 4% in 24 hours, and in 7 days the market is minus 19, right? And in 30 days the market is minus 30, right? And in 90 days the market is minus 41, right? So and in 180 days the market is on 4 plus, right, which is 4x. So if you check right here, you will work with the current RSI, which is showing the market is around 4.4, which means the market is up already. So if you want to enter trade at this place right now, you have to wait for this RXI to come down, right? So to hit the support line. So one thing you don't know, that there's something we call support and resistance in trading. If you won't be able to identify this support and resistance line, it's going to be very, very hard for you to do futures trading. So you have to know where is the support line of Solana and where is the resistance line. So how can you be able to know support line and also resistance line? So if you see where the coin price is changing direction from upward trend to downward trend, then you draw your resistance line right here. Here will be your resistance line. And also if you come right here and you check that the price of Solana was going down. Okay, let me go back. The price of Solana went down from here, right? Instead for him to continue going down, the market, the buyer stepped in and the market changed direction from this downward trend to upward trend, right? So this is your support line. Your support line is going to be below the price action, then while your resistance line going to be above when the market is changing direction from upward trend to downward trend. That's when you will draw your own resistance line. So this, our resistance line will be here and our support line will be here. So let me try and draw a line for you guys so that you will understand what I really means, right? So if I want to put support line and resistance line to identify my trend, let me use this trend line, right? Let me use this trend line. So this is where I'm going to draw it. This is where I'm going to draw it. But let me remove the candlestick first. This is where I'm going to draw it. This is where I'm going to draw it. Then also, if I want to draw my own resistance line, I'm going to use the upper line, right? So I'm going to use this one. Let me show you guys. I'm going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw it right here. So you can see right here, I'll draw my resistance line right here, and I'll draw my support line right. Let me just lock this one. Then let me just also draw another line. So you see, this is my, I'm just giving you an example. This is my support line and this is my resistance line. But it's very advisable that you shouldn't draw a resistance line or support line in one place, right? You make sure that the support line appear maybe 2 or 3 places before you draw the line. What do I mean? Let me show you it. Let me show you example. You see right here, I will just make sure that the candlesticks are close, right? Candlesticks are close. This one is not coming close, but let me to drag the this thing close so that I will show you how the historical price on how you can be able to draw the line, right? So you make sure that this place, oh, let me just show you from here. You make sure that this place is matching with this one, right? So you can see that if the market change direction from here and also change from here, then you have to use this place and this place as a resistance line. Then you draw your resistance line. And also if you see that this market come down to here, then you draw your line from here to here, which means you have already drawn your support line, right? Then you wait for the market to go up again, and once the market come up and reach the resistance line, then you close your market. I hope you're understanding something, guys. So if you're understanding something, drop it in the comment section. Let me know that you're understanding what I mean, right? If there's anything you're not understanding, you can ask me question. Then I will redo video about it, right? I'll recreate video about it. So also understand that if you want to draw a line, there's a different line. There's horizontal line and also there's trend line, right? So you can decide to use horizontal line and trend line. So this trend line, you tap right here, you tap trend line right here. If you want to draw trend line to confirm price reaction, you tap right here, right? You tap right here. So you can see this is how you draw your trend line. So this trend line you're seeing, how can I be able to identify this? So the reason why I'm drawing trend line is once this market break below this trend line that I draw, I will know that the market has already entered downward trend, right? If this candlestick broke below this trend line that I just draw, I will know that the market has already entered a downward trend, right? So if the market enter downward trend, maybe the candlestick break below this with only one candlestick, then I will be able to enter the market immediately. This strategy you can also use it on, I'm just giving you one strategy. This strategy you can also use it on futures trading, but it's very hard. You have to combine one or two indicators, right? You have to combine one or two indicators. And one thing about trading is about using time frame, right? So you can't understand trading just once like that. You have to be learning before you understand. So I don't know if you guys know about time frame. Time frame is something that you have to differentiate very well for you to become a profitable trader. The first time frame you see right here is 1 minute, then we have 15 minutes and 1 hour. So 1 minute time frame and 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame are good for scalping traders, right? And you can use also 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, and 1 day time frame for day trading. So let me explain. What do I mean? Especially for those that doesn't want to stay in the market. Maybe you don't want to stay in the market till maybe 5 hours and you are still trading. There's some people that can trade in 24 hours. They're still observing their particular trade, right? So if you want to check time frame, you have to use 15-minute time frame or 1 minute time frame or 1 hour time frame to see how the market is, the indicators are swapping up and down, right? Then you can be able to enter market maybe for 1 hour, 30 minutes and quit. So right now I'm using 15 minutes. I like using 15-minute time frame, and 1 hour time frame is going to give you the clean indicators on how maybe if the market is going up, candlestick is going up or not. So right now, if any coin is breaking right here, each candlestick you're seeing right here is representing a particular price of an asset. Each candlestick you're seeing right here. So if I'm putting it in a 15-minute time frame, which means that each candlestick you're seeing right here is it's open around 1 minute and it closes in 15 minutes. Each candlestick you're seeing right here. So when the market open in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes it close, then that's 15 minutes. Each candlestick right here. So you have to understand that. And also, if you're putting it in 1 hour time frame, let me say you're putting it in 1 hour time frame, it means that the candlestick, each candlestick right here is representing 1 hour, right? So the candlestick open from 1 minute, 2 minutes till it close around in 1 hour. So if we check according to 1 hour time frame, it shows that right now the Solana is forming W pattern, which means the price is still on downward trend and we are expecting that Solana may go up, right? So from right here, you can decide maybe to buy Solana so that it will go up. And let me show you how you can be able to set your order, your limit order and your TP and your SL on spot trading. What do I mean by TP? TP is it means take profit, and SL mean stop loss, right? So this is it right here. So let's go back. Let me go back. So there's a lot to learn on trading, right? So to check candlestick, you can come right here. This is where to check candle indicators. This place right here. You tap right here. Then you tap next, right? You tap right here. As a new beginner, it will show you a lot. So this is how to tap see candlestick. I'm coming. So you can see there's a, this is what you use to draw, and this is index, and this is interval. I'll teach you guys all this in the next video. So I want to teach you only the few candlestick you can be able to use, right? So if you want to draw, you can tap here to draw, right? You can tap right here to draw. Let me say I want to draw something. So you can see that all the horizontal drawing and even the trend line are all right here. But for you not to draw much, for you not to do much, the only thing you have to do is to observe the market. Put your market on a 1 hour time frame and see how the candlestick is showing if the market is on downward trend. After putting it in 1 hour time frame, then you'll be able to scroll down and use your RSI, right? Use your RSI. So you can see right here that this is MA and this is EMA, this is ball, and this is RSI, right? So this is volume and other ones. So MA means moving average candlestick pattern. Then this one indicator, sorry. Then this one mean EMA, exponential moving average convergence, exponential moving average, right? Then this MACD, this is volume, and this one also means MACD indicator. It means moving average convergence divergence, right? This is KDB. So these indicators that I'm showing you are good for your own trading, right? Very, very good for your own trading. So let's choose something different. Make sure you're using your RSI, right? Use your RSI. It will help you to indicate the price action. So let me go back. So if I come back right here, I can be able to select any of this, right? If I come back, for me to use my RSI, I'll just drag like this. Then I'll tap on the RSI. Once I tap on the RSI, this candlestick chart will change, right? So right now it's showing that Solana is already on downward trend. So if Solana is on downward trend right now, so how are we going to enter this market and make profit? Using a 1 hour time frame. If you're using 1 hour time frame, which means any candlestick that is going to open right here, maybe 1 2 3 4 or 10 or 20, is going to count 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours, right? Till you see this market will come right here. And you all know that the market, if the market is going up, has to come down, show red candlestick before the green candlestick, right? That's normal thing in the market. Not because you are seeing red candlestick and you rush to sell and on loss, right? It's not advisable at all. So now let's trade Solana, right? So I want to trade Solana that is going to go to an upward trend, which I'm going to make profit maybe in 24 hours. I'll be monitoring this chart, or maybe I can just set my TP and my SL so that I will not disturb myself monitoring price. Maybe if I set my TP and my SL on Solana, if market go up, the only thing that my TP will do for me, it will just quit the market and withdraw my profit. And later, I'll just check that my profit is in my wallet and I'll decide if to enter another market or not, right? And also, I'll set my stop loss. Maybe if Solana go below my SL, then the market will just keep and they just quit, and the remaining money, or let me say remaining balance, will be in my available balance, right? So look right here, this is TP, right? First thing we need to do, we need to come to market. If I want to buy right now in market order, then I'll tap here. Let me just say my balance is 31 USDT, 31.7 USDT. So if I want to use only maybe 50% of the USDT, that's around 16 USDT. If I want to use maybe all, I'll just drag 100%, right? Then I'll tap on buy. But make sure that you tap right here and change these orders to market order. Then you just buy and your market will execute immediately. You tap on confirm. So right now you can see that I've already bought 0.2 Solana with my current balance, right? So if Solana is going up, I am going to make money, right? And if Solana is going down, I'm going to lose money. But sure, even though you are losing money on Solana, it's not the coin you are losing. You are only losing the money, like the price. So if you have already bought on spot trading, you can decide to keep, right? You can decide to keep it maybe till Christmas. You are not going to lose your money all. It's not like a futures trading. If you just enter the market, you have already bought the coin. So whenever the price of the coin go up, increase, then you make profit. If the price of coin did not go up, then your coin will remain in your available balance, right? And we all know that the price must go up, right? So that's one thing you need to know. So it's good for you to buy at this thing downward trend, so that when you go upward trend, you will be able to send. So look right here. After I've already bought Solana, then I'll come to sell. Then once I tap on sell, then I'll tap on TPSL, which is TPSL, right? Then I'll tap on TPSL. So once I tap on TPSL, I'm going to set my TPSL. So right here, I'm going to tap that if this Solana price go maybe 150 USDT, let the bot sell it for me automatically without me coming and sell by myself, right? So right now you can see that the market is around 140 USDT. So if the market go to 150 USDT, this limit that I set, it will execute by himself automatically, right? Then I can decide to say, okay, how many Solana I want to sell among the one I bought, right? Then I'll decide to put if I want to sell 50% and keep 50%, or I want to sell all. Then I'll just drag it, right? So I've dragged it like this. Then you can see it's on limit. It's on limit, right? then you tap on sell. So once you tap on sell, whenever the Solana price reach 150, then this market will execute by himself, right? The market will execute by himself. So that's one thing about setting TP slash SL on trading, right? So if you want me to do another video about anything right here, you can ask or drop that in the comment section. I don't want this video to be long. There's a lot of features that I need to show you guys, right? There's advanced limit, right? I also make video. There's trigger and there's limit order, right? There's also iceberg, there's trailing stop, right? But you don't need all this. That's one thing about trading. You go where you want to go, not for you to be but it's good to know it, but not using them all, because if you're going to use this one and use this one, you're going to confuse yourself in the market, because there's a lot in the market, right? So if you know that you really enjoy and benefit from this video, okay, before I go, I'm sorry, let me make this. I want to sell my coin first before I go. Maybe you don't know how to sell. So you can tap right here. You tap on sell. You tap on market. Right? Once you tap on market, you tap the quantity you want to sell, right? Then you sell. So right now, your USDT is in your wallet. Right? Your USDT will flash in your wallet. So for you, that if you have already sold your Solana, you're not going to see it right here. No, you're not going to see it. You have to come back to buy. Once you come back to buy, you're going to see your USDT, and you can decide to use this USDT anywhere you want, right? You can decide to transfer them to spot trading or futures trading wallet. So right now is on spot trading, but let me say maybe I want to transfer this USDT to my futures trading. I'll just tap on assets. After tapping on assets, then I'll tap on transfer. After tapping on transfer, this is spot, right? This is USDT slash M futures, right? It means futures wallet. Then I'll just tap this BTC and change it to USDT, because I'm not transferring BTC, I'm transferring USDT. So I'll just tap on this USDT. Then I tap the amount I want to transfer. If I want to transfer all, then I'll tap on this all. Then I confirm my transaction and the coin will automatically transfer. In fact, as a matter of fact, let me just give you guys example. So transfer successfully, and I'll just go back to my futures wallet. I'll tap on this futures wallet, and you're going to see my USDT right here, guys. So this is how you can be able to do spot trading. And if there's any more thing that I need to show you guys, I'll be dropping it in the next video. But if you know that at least you benefit one or two things in this particular video, kindly like this video, comment and share. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.